Hi, my name is Dr. Niall Quigley. I work at Oasis Dental Studio Broadbeach. I have a bachelor's degree in dental surgery, a master's degree in oral and maxillofacial surgery, and a double master's degree in fixed and removable prosthodontics. So I graduated in 2004 in Manchester in the UK. So I've been a dentist now for 17 years. Shortly after graduation, I did a master's degree in oral and maxillofacial surgery, which took about 3 years. And then since then, I've largely focused my postgraduate training in prosthodontics, which is basically, it encompasses cosmetic dentistry, but it's also a lot more functional. So for people with very worn down teeth, it encompasses the restoration of the mouth as a whole. So it is crowns and veneers, but also looking at things more from a functional point of view rather than just the aesthetics. I guess the niche treatment that I've carved out for myself would be full mouth rehabilitation with direct composite, which is, it's a very minimally invasive treatment that I wouldn't say I've pioneered, but I've kind of made it my own, and I've started to teach courses in this technique whereby people come in with very worn teeth, either through grinding excessively or a lot of acid wear we're seeing lots of. So the teeth themselves are worn down like less than 40% of tooth remaining. So the idea is to rebuild them to where they once were without taking anything from the teeth, anything further. A lot of dental techniques can be quite destructive, but this technique, which I'm doing a lot of, it takes nothing further from the teeth, it just rebuilds them to where they once were. So it's very low biological cost, but also for the patients, very low financial cost. So I joined the Oasis Dental Group 3 years ago when we relocated to the new Broadbeach practice. And I just really enjoyed the vibe here. It's very busy, there's lots of moving parts, very dynamic, youthful group. A lot of people bring a lot of ideas to the practice, and I feel like we're constantly evolving and growing with a very forward-thinking philosophy that Andrew has instilled in all of us. My goals are, I guess, to really hone in on that prosthodontic little niche that I've found for myself, but also encompassing other disciplines such as Invisalign we're doing an awful lot of, and really treating patients in a more holistic manner. I like that we have so many other specialists within the group, so we have a lot of cross referrals. So each of us has a broad experience level, but also our own little areas of expertise, so we bounce ideas off each other quite well. And yeah, I think the patients appreciate that it can all be done in-house. We don't have to refer out too often. Well, the Gold Coast was the first place I came to when I've been in Australia for about 10 years, and my first job was here in the Gold Coast, and I immediately fell in love with it. It just has that perfect mix of city vibes, but also quite a laid-back atmosphere at the beach or even the hinterland. So for me, it kind of ticks a lot of boxes with the fabled perfect mix of lifestyle and work and getting that balance right. I feel like it has it all here. I feel like we're not running a script here, so every patient interaction we have, we hope is as genuine as we can make it. It's not a cookie cutter design to consultations. Everyone's different, so we will adapt to the individual. If some people are quite busy and they don't want a lot of chit chat, fine, we can do that. Some people will take a lot more time to get accustomed to the dental environment, and we absolutely can cater to that as well. So I feel like we just have a genuine, caring approach, and hopefully patients appreciate that, and maybe that's the reason why they do return.